Well, welcome back, my kindergarten and first graders. I hope you guys are all doing awesome, and it is so nice to see everyone doing a splendid job this year. So, sometime today, give your teachers your hand signs of how you're feeling of green zone, yellow zone, blue zone, or red zone, alrighty? Well, Miss Harp today is feeling in the yellow zone. I am very excited about this lesson. I cannot wait to teach you guys. So today's big word is called cooperation. Some of us might be thinking, Miss Harp, what's that word? It's very big. It sounds like an older kid's word, and it is. But you know what? As kindergarten and first graders, we need to learn to cooperate because that's how we show our friendship really well. So cooperation is the process of working together to the same end. So this is like teamwork. Cooperation is just like teamwork. We work together in a group to help each other. So we're going to read one of my most favorite books called Teamwork Isn't My Thing, and I don't like to share. And this is written by one of my favorite authors named Julia Cook. So let's take a look.
And enjoy this book with me. My name is RJ. People say that I need to be more of a team player and learn how to share. The truth is, I already am a team player. I play on the soccer team, and we have at least 2 games a week. As far as sharing goes, it's just not my favorite thing to do. My teacher wants everyone in our class to work as a team. She said that team stands for together, everyone achieves more. Actually, I think it stands for together, everybody acts mean. A few days ago, she broke us up into teams of 4 and assigned each a group project. My team's project was to do research on mom, make a poster, and give a presentation to our class. I got stopped up with bossy Bernice, who thinks she knows everything. Frankie, the new kid who still scribbles, and Norma, she picked her nose, and then she eats it. We made a plan to use toilet paper to wrap one of us up like a mummy. Everyone wanted to be the mummy, even me. Bernice yelled at us because nobody would do what she said. Frankie cried when we wouldn't let him make the poster, and Norma picked her nose the whole time, and then she called the rest of us names. I don't want to be on the team, I said to my teacher. I just want to work by myself. RJ, she said, when you work well with others, you can get so much more done. Besides, you need to learn to share responsibility. I don't like to share it either, I thought to myself. Yesterday, when I got home from school, I headed straight for the cookie jar. The jar had only 1 cookie in it. I grabbed the cookie and was about to take a bite when I heard my mom say, RJ, please share that last cookie with your sister. Break it in half. I broke the cookie, but not in half. My half was bigger. RJ, since you got to break the cookie, you should let Blanche choose the half she wants. Yeah, if I broke the cookie, RJ, I would give you first choice. And I would have left you with the small piece. Be happy. That's the one you ended up with. RJ, my mom said, that's not how sharing works. My mom made me give Blanche part of my half. She ended up getting more cookie than I did. That night after soccer practice, I told my coach about my terrible week. I hate to be in a group and work as a team. The kids get all mad and act really mean. I'd rather just do the work myself. I really don't feel like I need any help. And then I get home and my mom tells me to share the very last cookie because the cookie jar is bare. She gets all mad because I don't do it right. And I end up with half that has 3 left bites. RJ, my coach, said, your teacher is right. Together, everyone does achieve more. And he showed me these things to do. Whenever you need to work as a team, figure out what it is that you need to complete. Have each person say what they're willing to do. Then each does their job until you're all through. RJ, could you be on the soccer team all by yourself and win any games? No, that would be impossible, I said. Well, your school project is just like a soccer game, and the kids in your group are just like your teammates. Each person on this team has skills. For example, Sam is one of the best goalies in the league, but could he play forward? No, I said. He's slow as a snail. No one can be good at everything, but everyone can be good at something. The best part about working together is that each person can use his strengths to help the team. RJ, you are a great team member on the soccer field. Now do the same thing in your classroom. With everyone helping, you'll finish faster, and each of you won't have to work as hard. As far as sharing is concerned, you'll find that your life will be much better if you share. People who are good at sharing end up being happier than those who don't. And when you share, others will want to share with you. When you see something that needs to be shared, let others go first. You need to be fair. Be kind and be patient. Then ask for a turn. When you're finished, give it back. Sharing is easy to learn. RJ, you are great at sharing the ball on the field with your teammates. Now do the same off the field. Besides, not only can you share the good stuff, you can also share the work, like when you have to do a class project about mummies. As I walked home from soccer practice, I thought about everything my coach had told me. What he said really did make sense. The next morning at breakfast, I poured myself a bowl of T-Rex tasty and emptied the box. Hey, said Blanche, I want some too. I felt like saying no, I had them first, but instead I poured part of them into her bowl. My pour wasn't even, and she ended up getting more than me. She gave me her bowl and said, thanks for sharing, RJ. Here, you can have the big one. The next day at school, when my group worked on the Mommy Project, I told them what my coach had said about the teamwork. We all decided to start over. Everyone picked a job that they could do well. Bernice made a list of what all of us were doing, and we let her be the supervisor. She gave us each a topic of research. We all collected information and then shared what we had learned with the group. I wrote out the poster lightly in pencil, and Frankie traced over it. My letters in markers so that he didn't scribble. We decided to let Norma be the mommy. Maybe if we wrap her entire body up with tissue, she'll figure out how to blow her nose with it. Sometimes I still like to work by myself, but working with others can bring lots of help. When we all work together, we get so much more done. And not only that, we have a whole lot more fun. Share is not easy. Sometimes it's hard, but it makes me a better friend and will help me go far. Share with others will show them I care. My life's gotten better now that I share. Scarlett.
Alrighty. So kindergarten and first grade friends, that is absolutely right. When we share, we care for each other. So cooperation means to work together. Ricky had a very hard time throughout that story working together in a group, and it wasn't until his soccer coach helped him. You kick the ball to another person on the team to help have a common goal of scoring a goal. So that's what we're going to work on is our cooperation. Now, I can't quite remember the hand actions to cooperation, but that is something that Mrs. Care will teach you guys. So remember, in order to reach our personal best, we need hard work, enthusiasm, we have friendship, we have loyalty, and cooperation, I think, is this, or that might be self-control, but I will double check on that for you guys. But a couple of fun activities that you guys can do that help build teamwork is everyone's got cups at home. Everyone's probably got little marbles. I have beans currently in my office. They're like lima beans are hard. So what you guys need to do is place some beans in the cup. Work with your family to get all the beans from one cup to the next to have a common goal. Teamwork makes the dream work. And that will be something you guys will hear every day. So remember, we work together as a team because we are able to be better friends when we are in a team. So kindergarten, first grade, if no one hasn't told you today, I love you guys. You guys are so awesome. Keep being great, awesome students today. So we'll see you next week, okay? Bye.